some good coffee right there. Good morning, y'all. So today is travel day. It's almost 10 o'clock right now. We have to be out here by 11. So you think I'd have a little bit more urgency. I'm over here chilling. I'm one of those people, unfortunately, that I need my coffee to start my day, or else my day doesn't get started. Without Jesus, of course, you know. But yeah, so hubby's out here. He's packing up the workout stuff, and everything on the inside is pretty much good. What is it?
A flower.
A flower?
Yeah.
For me?
Yeah.
Let me see.
That's a baby.
Aw, thank you, Bookie.
Flower.
Yeah. I hope I'm in frame. You have a flower for me too? Thank you. Aw, beautiful. Thank you.
Another flower.
Yeah, all these toys over here on the table and over here on the floor. And then we just got our rug, some chairs and a table. Yeah, we're just gonna pack that stuff up and unhook the RV, and then we'll head off to the next campground.
Here comes another flower.
Oh my goodness, so many. Thank you.
Dip.
What all you have to do?
Well, I'm already starting the weights right now. I already got the sticks out of the ground for the awning. A lot of outside work. Sewage and
Bye-bye, Dad.
water, electricity, and that's it.
Some people have been wondering why we put weights on the awning.
We're the only one out here that's able to keep our awning out all day, whether it's a hurricane. I'm just a genius. I figured it out. So my awning's out doing all the storms. We're getting gusts of 50, 60 miles an hour. Our awning stays up. If you want to learn, we'll make a video on it.
Here's the video. A whole bunch of dumbbells. And that thing don't go nowhere.
The thing about dumbbells is that they're not cheap, so I don't think people still gonna do it.
Yeah.
There you go, show them right there.
No, I just did, yeah. The weights help.
This is out doing storms and all.
I know.
And that got ripped previously before I had the dumbbells.
Yeah, this is,
So people might say, hey, that shit
yeah,
got ripped.
this
What
was a
happened
problem
before
before.
the dumbbells?
Because we have this shade screen to keep it extra cool, and when it's staked in the ground and those random gusts of winds or those quick storms that come out of nowhere.
Remember last night?
Yeah, it was like, what time was it? Like maybe 10
10
o'clock, and a storm came out of nowhere.
Yep.
So, I mean, who's able to take the stakes out at that time? Nobody. So it's easier to just put some weights on that thing.
And just trust in Jesus. Yeah.
That's right. Also, a pet peeve of mine, and I don't know why this keeps happening, but on most travel days, the night before or early in the morning, it'll rain. So then I'm forced to pack up all this wet stuff. As soon as I stepped outside, there was like water all under the rug. So it could have been worse, but you know, but it is what it is, right? As for the washing machine, this guy goes right into our shower during travel day. If you're interested in it, this works for RV living, but this also works for like small spaces like apartments and stuff. So if you're interested in it, link will be in the description. Alright, so we finished that pretty quick. It's 10:03 now. I'm about to hurry up and make hubby some breakfast. I'm gonna make the kids something to eat. That way we can head out and head off to the new campground. Everything is packed up and we are about to head off
The new campground.
To the new campground. And today is hair wash day, so don't mind our crazy hair. Alright, love you.
Bye bye, cute mama.
Bye bye, cute DJ. Huh?
No. Here.
Alright, love you.
Yeah, I love you.
Hey y'all, so we just arrived at the new campground. Mitri's about to go check in right now. And yeah, we're gonna set up and do our usual shindig. Alright, so we just pulled up to our spot, and unfortunately it's only a 50 amp unit and we have a 30 amp. We don't have any adapters, so we just called up the front office and they just moved our site. So we're about to go over there. And I'm not mad at it though, because the other spot that they put us at, we've been there before, and there's a lot more shade. Over here, there's not a single tree, and it is hot. It's a hot, hot, hot day. And you know, we're in Florida, so it's always hot. So we're about to go move the RV and set up there. Here are the luscious trees that we got at our new spot now. Even have this kind of little tree. I don't know what tree that is. Papaya? I don't know. But yeah, this spot is way better. It's gonna give us a lot more shade. We've actually been at this spot before. Alright, Mitri's setting up the awning right now. We're gonna put the screen shade thing. I don't know what that's called, but we're about to put that up. And he's putting up this now.
You got bubbles?
What's up, y'all? So we are finished unpacking. We had to stop at a couple places, run some errands. Kids got some bubble toys that they're playing with.
Yeah, man.
What's next?
Chill. Heat little playoffs.
Oh,
Miami
yeah.
Heat play today. Watching that. Go Heat, baby. Where the Heat fans at? Put the Heat fans in the comment. Heat Nation, baby. Let's go.
Yeah. There's actually a woodpecker right behind us.
I'll show y'all.
Yeah, when we first pulled up, I got a little bit of it on my phone. Never seen a woodpecker in real life before, so that was kind of
This
cool.
is by far one of my favorite spots, by the way.
No, yeah, for real. Just because, like I said, all the shade, all the trees. You can't beat that. Alright, I just wanted to take this time to talk to you guys really quick about something very exciting coming up. I don't know if you noticed my shirt. Pretty much, we have a new small business that we're going to be starting very soon. Something that's been long overdue. In 2019, I know God created me to be more than just a stay-at-home mom, so I was kind of looking for my calling and in my purpose. So I spent a lot of time in the Word and in prayer. Long story short, I did a 2-week fast, and God kind of gave me a vision and a revelation, and I realized that, you know, oh, thank you. I realized that I had a craft in, I guess you can say, graphic design, and I really didn't know it. So, you know, God gave me the desire to create faith-based apparel, mugs, t-shirts, tote bags, just a whole, you know, a whole variety of things. So that's what our brand is going to be based on. It's called Yahweh Truth and Life, based off of John 14:6, which is, you know, Jesus, also known as Yahweh, is the way, the truth, and the life. So it's kind of like a play on words, Yahweh, the way, truth, and life. But yeah, so we're very excited about it, and Mitri supported me from the very beginning when it wasn't even called Yahweh, Truth, and Life. Back then it was called something else, and I kind of
Stop blowing my bubbles.
that way, go play with the bubbles that way. I'm over here talking and I didn't even realize my kids are blowing bubbles in my face. Anyway, like I said, Mitri supported me from day one when it was something else. It was called God's Given Gifts, but a lot of time has passed. Clearly, it's been since 2019, but that's all behind us now. So very soon you're going to see a lot of Yahweh Truth and Life. This year we're focusing on building our relationship with Christ, walking into our calling and our purpose, and you know, just sharing the gospel. Both Mitri and I know how to sing, and we haven't used our voice, another gift that God has given us, to glorify Him and to bless others, you know, so you'll be seeing a lot of that as well. So the next video will be setting up the office space. Some of you might know it already, but we turned the cab in our office space into a studio for the small business. I'm so excited about it, and I just hope you guys support. Follow us on Yahweh Truth and Life on TikTok and on Instagram and on YouTube, whichever platform that you have. We'll be sharing our videos on there, so stay tuned. I hope you guys enjoyed the vlog. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you haven't already, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.